Good morning, family, YouTube family. Get ready to make a breakfast for me and my daughter. She's still in the bed, but I've been up early. Early bird, the early bird get the worm. Remember that, y'all. But fix me some breakfast. Me and her fix us. That's my waffle mix. They go frozen sausages. Got them on low. You don't want to cook them too fast. Got my strawberries soaked in some water and some baking soda to clean them up real good. Got my off waffle iron on. I'm gonna cook me about 4 eggs. Got to have them eggs, y'all. I don't care what people say. You gotta live your life for you, you know. Got my oranges right here. But yeah, today is the weekend, so I hit the park later on. Take my daughter out to the park. But remember, y'all, stay focused. Put them 4 D's in your life: dedication, determination, desire, and discipline. You gotta have that discipline, you know. Make sure y'all enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Stay cool. I'm gonna show you the finished product of our breakfast too. So stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, King Martin Singley. That's my channel. Subscribe, y'all. Social report support. But to stay focused and stay tuned with your mind. And stay tuned with God. Put God number 1, y'all.